So, hello everyone. Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity today to be here and to share my journey with all of you. Before we start, let me give you a quick intro about me. My name is Alhajri. I'm from Saudi Arabia, and which is a country within the Middle East. I have been graduated with the bachelor degree with computer engineering, and I have 6 years experience within oil and gas industry. Also, I started my journey as a power addict within the social media, and I become as the first Saudi female with the MVP. I'm super active in social media such as Twitter, LinkedIn. I have my own YouTube channel, two channels actually, one in Arabic and the one in English. Also, I have my own community sharing is caring group, which is I used to share a lot of sessions related to Power Platform there. And I have my own website, Agent 008. I have all my infographics, all my poster, everything there. So, as we know, Steve Jobs, that what he said, that if you want to do, or the only way to do a great job is to love what you do. And I couldn't agree more. So how it started, how my journey started, or from where it started. Let me share with you my journey, and I hope that I will inspire all of you here. After my graduation, like 5 or 6 years ago, I started my first work journey within Senate company, which is oil and gas company, as a IT on-site support, which is troubleshooting the laptop, re-imaging, and I worked with them for almost 1 year. It was my first work actually after my graduation. Like, I still remember when I did a lot of mistake because I actually it was my first job after my graduation. Then I joined the Schlumberger company as a IT on-site support. I learned a lot of things within Schlumberger company, and the first achievement actually for me within the first year, when I re-imaged 234 laptops within 5 days, actually by myself. This project actually was like a challenge for me because many people they told me you cannot do it by yourself, still you are young, you are women, a lot of things. But what I told them, I wanted to work on this project by myself. As a woman, I want to show and inspire other women that we can do a lot of things that maybe other they thought that we cannot do it. So after 5 days, actually, I get sick because I sit in a server room by myself, re-imaging 230 laptops by myself. So it was something really crazy. Then I started to think about, like, I would like to be more famous in terms of sharing my knowledge within Schlumberger company. So I started to search about a tool that will help me to share my knowledge, which is my favorite tool, Microsoft Yammer. From there, I started to post like how we can do a troubleshooting, a lot of videos, animation videos. So I was super unique within my company because not all the people they share their knowledge in my way, which is animation posters, so they have a standard. And actually I created my own standard. So I started to share my knowledge, posters, videos, similar thing what I'm doing within the social media now. Then many people they start to recognize me, and they started to call me like a Yammer lady. And I become actually the first female within Schlumberger, like having a lot of followers after our CEO. Then I assigned to be part of the Office 365 adoption within Schlumberger, and I thought like it will be like really a big opportunity for me to learn more about Microsoft, because we know that within our college or university years, like we learned the basic things related to Microsoft, like how to use PowerPoint, because we used to do a lot of presentation, how to use Excel, Word. So the basic things. I know Microsoft, they have like many amazing things there. So I was like, I wanted to learn more about Microsoft. Then I started to be part of the Office 365 adoption, learn more about it, doing a lot of sessions related to to OneDrive, SharePoint, and from there actually I heard about Power BI, Power Apps, Power Automate, a lot of Power things, and I think like this is my place. I need to learn more about it. And from there, I started to learn more about Power BI. I built a lot of dashboards, around 30 dashboards during like all my journey when I started to learn more about Power BI. And when I started to learn about Power BI, actually, I started to share my knowledge on Yammer. I used Yammer to be as my main platform to share my knowledge internally within Schlumberger company. From there, many people now they start to call me from Yammer lady to Power BI lady. If they have any question, they come to me like, how can we do this dashboard? How we can, because I shared a lot of tips with them, a lot of videos, a lot of sessions. So many people they start to recognize me that I know how to use a Power BI. Then I feel like I need to jump now from Power BI to Power Apps. And I built a lot of applications. As a computer engineer, learning all Power Platforms something really easy because it's you just need to learn the basic and from there you can do whatever you want. So I started to learn about Power Apps. I built around 50 applications, like business applications internally for Schlumberger. And for sure, I started to learn Power Automate. And from there, I learned how to integrate all these amazing tools together. And it's not enough for me actually to be like famous internally in terms of sharing my knowledge. I thought like I would like to be famous or I would like to be part of another community outside of my company. And I heard about Power Addicts community. I started to share my knowledge. I created my Twitter account, LinkedIn account, and I started to share my knowledge in my own way within the social media. Like maybe it's a poster, videos. I started with posting randomly things. Then when many people they start to recognize me, to invite me to be a speaker within their community, I felt like it's my responsibility to have my own schedule, to have my own task, which is for the other communities. And from there, I build my own plan to like today I need to post this infographics, today I need to do this session. And from there, when I get a lot of positive comments, many people they start to recognize me. Always when I received a lot of likes or positive feedback from even Microsoft employees about my poster, I feel like something really amazing, and I would like to keep sharing my knowledge in my own way. And from there, within my company, Schlumberger, before being famous within the social media, uh, internally we had like to have a program, we call it special agents program. And for this program actually, the digital engagement team they recognize the people they have a they have interest about sharing their knowledge in terms of using Microsoft Power Platform and to make all the word internally as a digital word. So I received like a specific call from the digital engagement manager. He asked me like pick a number from 1 to 20, but you cannot choose number 7. I said, okay, at this time, actually, I didn't have any idea that something related to the agents. And I was super lucky to pick number 8. So I told him, okay, I'm going to pick number 8. Then after almost 2 to 3 weeks, I received a package with shirt. Let me show you the picture. This one, this shirt actually, and it show me like special agent 008 and with like a specific code that I need to share it internally and something really cool. And from there, many people they start to recognize me internally as a agent 008 within my previous company, Schlumberger. Then I thought I would like to use Agent 008 to be my personal brand. I feel there is a connection between me and Agent 008 name or logo. From there, what I did, I built my own logo, which is this one. I started to post it everywhere. Even I created my own website, and many people now they start to call me Agent 008. Even within Microsoft now, when I joined Microsoft, many people they start to say to me like welcome agent 008. So they forget about mail Hadri, they just focus on agent 008 actually is mail Hadri, and this is what I want to build my personal brand. Then after being super active on social media, I become as an agent 008 within the social media or within the Twitter and other community. I received a lot of messages like, did anyone nominate you to be MVP at this stage, actually, still, I didn't know what the meaning of Microsoft MVP. I searched about it and I was like, it's something really huge and it will open a lot of opportunity for me. And it's not about only title, but my target actually was to be more engaged with Microsoft Saudi Arabia. Because if I am become like more close to Microsoft Saudi Arabia, I know that they will support me to do a lot of amazing stuff. And last September, I received an email like after different people, they nominate me actually to be an MVP, and I filled the form. Then I received an email, congratulations, you are an MVP now. And I become as the first Saudi female with the MVP awards from Microsoft. And from there, many different doors actually opened for me, and many people, they started to invite me to to tell me like you need to be a speaker within Saudi Arabia events and a lot of huge things that. So being first Saudi female with the MVP awards, yes, it's helped me to be part of different communities within my country, and many people, they start to recognize me more and more. And from there, I felt like my place actually to be Microsoft employee. And from my university days, actually, I was dreaming to be Microsoft employee. For me, I really like the colors. I really like the environment that Microsoft they have. And it's become like my target and to be part of this amazing company. And from there, after getting the award from Microsoft and being part of the community, I applied to a different job, which is we have it within Microsoft website. I did a lot of interviews, and I still remember when I received the email like, congratulations, you have been selected to be part of Microsoft Saudi Arabia as a client technology strategist. I was crying because it's my dream job actually. And I know it will be a new journey. I know it's hard to leave like I worked with Schlumberger for almost 6 years, and it's like my first journey within the oil and gas industry. So now I'm jumping to another industry. It's a huge jump, but this is my dream job. And now almost I'm working with Microsoft for 2 weeks, and I know that I will learn a lot of amazing stuff from different people, different communities, and I will keep doing whatever I'm doing. And this is me because I really like to share my knowledge. Sharing my knowledge, it's a part of my DNA actually, not only because I'm looking to get awards or looking to get a specific things. No, I feel happy when I share my knowledge with other community. I feel happy when someone say I would like to learn from you, and when I learned from others, sharing my knowledge, it's a part of my training to learn actually. So why do I have this picture here? Because I hope that I will inspire you with this one. As we know, after COVID or during the COVID-19 situation, we used to work from our home. And working from my home, actually, it's helped me to like to open different doors in front of me to communicate with different peoples. Many people, they feel like we don't want to work from home, but for me, I convert this negative situation to be a positive situation for me. And from this place, I communicated with different people. I have a lot of friends behind my screen now, and I meet them finally. I travel to Dubai, I travel to different places to meet my new friends that I meet them during the situation. So what I really would like to mention here, like, you can achieve whatever you want. It doesn't matter about the place, it doesn't matter about the company, it doesn't matter about where you are. So if you want to be something, you can be. So just focus on your goal, just focus on your target and what you would like to be, and you will achieve it. So I know maybe when I mention my journey, it seems like it's just a few steps. There is a lot of challenge that I faced. There is a lot of negative situation. There is a lot of I cried a lot. There is a lot of scenarios that happened. But for me, I would like to share with the people the positive impact or the positive energy that I have it. I don't like to be like a drama queen to show them like to achieve this step. I did a lot of things. No, I just wanted to show them how I achieve it in a positive way. But this is what I really would like to mention here. You can achieve whatever you want if you want. So, how it's going now? Finally, I'm a Microsoft employee and I'm super happy to be part of this community and the new company. And I will put my energy more now to learn a lot of things, to be like be able to learn more about the community, to like to join different activities that we have it within Microsoft. And yeah, hopefully everything will be okay in the future. So, as I mentioned, if you believe in yourself, anything is possible for you. Just believe in yourself. Be yourself. Don't copy others. So that's what I did actually during my journey, and this is what I'm doing now. Just I'm being myself. So I'd like to share with you a few tips that will help you in the future that I follow it actually by myself. First, be confident. During your journey, you will hear a lot of negative feedback, and you need to learn how to convert this negative feedback to be as a positive. So let me give you one example. When I started to share my videos internally, not within the social media, I received a lot of negative feedback about why you are using animation. It's not yours. It's not a style of the professional company. You cannot, it's, you are not a kid, you need to be more professional. But now they, many people, they start to use animation style and they start to do whatever I'm doing, and I'm super happy actually, because I changed their mind in a positive way. So be confident about what you have, be confident about yourself, and you can change others actually. Second, have a plan. For me, if I want to do anything, always I have a weekly plan, daily plan, monthly plan, yearly plan. Like what I would like to study this year, what I would like to study this week, or what's my plan or agenda for this week. Having a plan will help you to organize your time, will help you to organize your items. Number three, don't be scared to accept the challenges. And this is really exciting because accepting challenges actually will help you to learn a lot of things and will help you to improve your skills. Number four, importance of networking. So, because I'm being active on social media, I met a lot of people. I invited to like to be a speaker on different sessions. Like other people, they support me to be where I am. So having a networking, you cannot work alone. Never ever actually. You need to have a team. You need to help others and get a help from others. So don't be shy to talk to others if you have a question, if you would like to learn from others. Even saying a positive comments on any post will help others actually. And this is what happened to me when I started my journey, and when I received a lot of positive feedbacks, actually it's like helped me to be where I am here now. Number five, do more than average. It means like today I have an energy to do 5 items, so I can push myself to do maybe 7 items. So try to show the people your energy, like you can do more. Number six, invest in yourself. What do I mean by invest in yourself? It means like try to have a learning schedule, like maybe our learning plan, like a monthly or weekly. Try to give yourself a time to learn. Maybe it's like attending a several courses, sessions. It doesn't mean that always you need to go online and attend a sessions. Maybe you can learn from other. Try to pick a mentor for you and learn from this mentor. So this is what I have for you today, and this is my journey in a short way. I hope that I inspired you in a different way. And if you would like to reach me out, I'm super active in social media. For these two past 2 weeks, actually, I didn't post a lot of things because I was busy with my onboarding sessions. So if you want to reach me out, I'm super active on social media. I will be starting to share my topics in different area, which is leadership, management skills on YouTube for the upcoming month, and we will see what kind of technical topic that I will share it in the future. So thank you so much, team, for having me today. And I'm super happy to be here today to share my journey. And if you have any question, just reach me out at any time. Thank you so much.